Hello, back to question 21. Nice, you are trying hard. That's good to know. Okay, 21. Resize the previous created logical volume database. It was called database, I forget. Plus 100 extents. Okay, it should be simple enough. So let's go to our server B. What was it called? So you want to extend the logical volume to plus 100 extents, and it's called database, right? It was a database. Yeah, I was okay, correct. So LVS database is there, so it should be something like LV extend small l plus 100 resize dev. What was it called? Dev data store. What was called the I forget, VGS display, this scan, I forget, it was VGS LVS LV scan, and yeah, okay, that's it. So let's do LV extend minus L plus 100 resize, and this guy there. Okay, done. So it should. I forget how many extents there was before that. We can just roll back, and the previous extent size was 50. So we should see right now 150. LV scan, not scan display. And this is the root, this is the swap database, and yeah, so it was 50 and now it's 150. So basically the command is this one. People like to resize and resize the extents and then do a resize of the file system. This will just make this on one simple swoop, and there you have, it's now perfectly fine and it's extended. Looks simple because it is. So that's question what? Question 21. We have already 21 videos at this video series. That's awesome. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.